Hi Arizona families, my name is Skip. I'm the General Sales Manager at Shasta Pools. Now we understand that this time is an uncertain one. We offer online virtual meetings so that you could feel comfortable at home picking all of these colors and seeing everything come together as though you were here.
Travertine look.
Ooh, that's nice.
Our designer can send you a link for a meeting. All you have to do is click and join, that's it. There's nothing you need to download. And he or she can walk you through the entire design center and allow you to pick those colors and materials that make up your dream pool.
So Amy, I made the changes with the tile selection and making the travertine on the pool, and we got the finished product here based off everything you told me to do.
Oh yeah, it looks awesome.
We want you to have a peace of mind no matter which direction you go, no matter who you choose, and that's why we've set up the design centers the way we have, to serve you.